The National Weather Service issued a tornado warning for Maxwell, Greensburg, Kansas, Parkersburg, Iowa, Anderson for 4:45 p.m. At 9 p.m., the National Weather Service in Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm has been allowed by due a tornado. Go to the basement to stay safe. If no basement is available, go to the windowless room to stay safe. If no windowless room is available, go to the hallway. If you're away from home and not in a car or truck, go to the ditch. Look out. It has a EF scale. Is a EF0, EF1, EF2, EF3, EF4, EF5.